So in this problem, what we do is we're going to have to find the area of a sector, all right? And the sector they're telling us is going to have a central angle of 30 degrees and a radius of 20 centimeters. So we basically have this circle, okay? Draw your vertical and your horizontal axes. Since they're giving us an angular measurement in degrees, simply plug in now your degrees around. Now, where is 30 degrees located? Obviously, this one's relatively straightforward, right? 30 degrees, wouldn't that be about here? That would be the angle, 30 degrees. And what they're asking us is they're asking us to find the area of this sector. A sector is just part of a circle, okay? Calculate the area of the sector, all right? Now, we have a nice little formula that will help us do this, okay? So the area of a sector, and by the way, I developed this idea in number 46. So check out number 46. If you can't find it, go to our channel, go to playlists, go to the math playlist, or the pre-calculus playlist, that is, and go to the angle section, okay? You'll be able to find it. So this is going to be equal now pi r squared multiplied then by the measured angle divided by then 360. And this is the formula you need for area of a sector when you're given degrees. If you're given radians, guess what? Get rid of the 360 and all you're going to do is plug in 2 pi. Okay? Everything else stays the exact same. So now the area of the sector is going to be equal to pi multiplied by the radius. Well, what in the world is the radius? Oh, goodness, they told us 20 centimeters, right? So the length of this thing in the circle is going to be 20 centimeters. So you plug that in. So you plug in 20 centimeters. It's going to be squared, and then multiplied by the measured angle, or the given angle, whatever you want to call it, 30 degrees, then divide that by 360. And it's as easy as that. So let's do the math. So 20 squared becomes 400. That's 400 pi multiplied by 30 over 60. I mean, we can reduce this if we wanted. Right, by 10, this would be 3. And that would be 36. And then you could further reduce that to 1 and then 12, right? So this is basically now multiplied by 1 over 12. And it looks like we can do some more simplifications, right? 40 and 12, we can reduce that down. I wonder if, does 12 go into 400? I'm not even sure. It does not. How about 6, right? 400 over 6? Nope. Okay, so I guess maybe just 2. So at least 2, right? So then, oh, maybe 3. Oh, I didn't think of 3. Maybe, no, 3 won't. I don't think 3 will work either. Okay, anyway. So let's get rid of this. This becomes a 6. That becomes, no, that should. What am I doing? What I plug in wrong here? What I plug in wrong? Yeah, 4. What am I doing? I didn't test 4? I thought I did. Sorry, that was a silly mistake. So this is going to be then 3, because I'm dividing everything by 4, and that's going to be 100. Okay, so that's now basically 100. It's getting a little late. So 100 over 3 pi. And this is then in terms of centimeters squared. I didn't write in the centimeters then after that, but it's centimeters squared. So that's the exact answer. If you wanted to convert that into a decimal, by all means, just do 100 multiplied by pi, 3.14, and then divide it by 3. It's about 105 then, roughly, right? 105 centimeters squared. That's the area in green. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully that helps. All right, I will see you in the next video. Check out some more of our problems. We'd love to help you with more stuff. Take care.